Hello, how to solve for s plus y in this equation? S plus xy plus y is equal to 76, where x and y are positive integers. Solution. Then here, let's consider this. We have x here and xy here. This can be written as x bracket this divided by this 1 plus this divided by this y, then plus this y is equal to 76. Now here we have 1 plus y here. In order to make this 1 plus y, we can add 1 to this side and also 1 to this side. We have x bracket 1 plus y plus y plus 1 is equal to 76 plus 1. Now here we have s bracket. This can also be written as y plus 1 plus y plus 1 is equal to 76 plus 1, that is 77. Now here y plus 1 is common. We have y plus 1 bracket. If you divide this by this, we have s, and if you divide this by this, we have plus 1 is equal to 77. Then here we say s and y are positive integers, so this has to follow the rules of s comma y is greater than equal to 1. And if s and y is greater than equal to 1, and if s and y is greater than equal to 1, therefore if you add 1 to s, this is going to be greater than or equal to 2, and if you add 1 to y, this is going to be greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, let's consider the product of 77. 77 is 1 multiplied by 77, then 77 multiplied by 1, now 11 multiplied by 7, and then 7 multiplied by 11. But here we say this y plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2, and s plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. So this is less than 2, this is out of it, and this is also out of it. So the only two we want to consider is this and this. Therefore, our equation become the first case. We have y plus 1 is equal to, here we have 11, then s plus 1 is equal to 7. Also, the second case, we have y plus 1 is equal to 7, and x plus 1 is equal to 11. But what we want to find is s plus y, which is unknown. Then here we have s plus y is unknown. Then if you add 2 to this side, to both sides, and subtract 2, so it's going to be, this is equal to s plus 1 plus y plus 1 minus 2. And we know that s plus 1 from the first case is, that is 7. Plus y plus 1 from the first case, that is 11. Minus 2. Then s plus y is equal to 7 plus 11. This is 18 minus 2. Now s plus y is equal to 16. This is the value of s plus y from the first case. Let's see the second case as well. From the second case, we have s plus y is equal to s plus 1 plus y plus 1, then minus 2. That is, we are adding 2 and subtract 2. You add 1 to this and 1 to this, making 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then you subtract 2 again. So we have s plus y is equal to, from the second case, s plus 1 is 11 plus y plus 1, that is 7, minus 2. So s plus y is equal to 11 plus 7, that is 18 minus 2. Then s plus y is equal to 18 minus 2, that is 16. And this is the value of s plus y. You can see that from both first case and second case, s plus y is equal to 16. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.